Family, listen. I know I normally do my welcome back to the channel. This is your boy ED. For all you smart and intelligent folks out here, that just simply means Ed. But you see that number I just held up in front of you? That 100 number means, family, we did it. We did 100 episode as of today's recording. Put it together for yourself for locking in with your boy. I want to give some shout outs before we even get started and started into the content. First, I want to start with the people that really have shown me a lot of love and comments. First, I want to start with Alfonso. Alfonso, first of all, I want to congratulate you for passing your CAPM again. On top of that, taking the time out to watch these videos and extract something from it, because I do put in a lot of work, Alfonso. I make sure that I can bring the best quality here. That's why I learn, and this is the second thank you to Phil. I learned from the best, and I'm willing to invest in the best. And Phil is one of the people that really delivers that. By the way, if you're looking for a leadership training, Phil has a leadership training called Project Management Leadership Institute. Again, Project Management Leadership Institute. Definitely want to check it out if you want to know. I'll have a link in the link. I mean, a link in the link. I have a link in the description. But again, family, I'm just super excited. We hit 100 episodes. Another special thanks to, I want to thank Daryl as part of the team. That's part of our PML. I mean, our Project Management Leadership Institute team. I mean, he's just been amazing, just supporting me, pushing me, telling me to keep going, don't stop. So I want to thank you, Daryl. There's so many people that I could thank, and you probably guys that click off and don't even pay attention to the rest of the video. So this is what I'm going to do. We're going to get into this content, but I want to let you know some changes are coming. You see, we're in the box, baby. I know everybody's like, well, you should shoot this way and that way and that. I may change it up. We may shoot some different locations. I may keep it, a little casual here and there. I don't know. We'll see. You guys let me know. Do y'all like the box with the suit in it? I mean, just let me know, because I want to provide you guys a professional approach. You should be able to take this information and extract it and grow with it, because it's straight from the pinbox scroll. You like that? Okay, I just made that up on the fly. But anyway, I digress. So, no, family, we do have some changes. We're also plugging into some more social media platforms. So look for us on IG. The reason why I'm getting on IG is because of the fact that I want to be able to allow people to ping me if they, if they want to get in contact, they can DM me right away and we can set something up. Also, there's a new group that is coming to, it's already established. It's called the Project Management Lab. And I created this as a group for like-minded individuals, for individuals that are either project managers or looking to get in project management, or people looking to switch careers. I guess that's the same thing of looking to get in project management. You see how I did that? But seriously, family, that group will be coming this month as well. So be on the lookout for that. I'll start plugging that as well. And of course, the book, The Magnetic Project Manager, is going to be the #1 book for project managers. Why do I believe this is going to be the #1 book for project managers? The reason why I believe it's going to be the #1 book is because it's not talking all the technical jargon. It's not talking about, oh, well, you need to build a schedule and a schedule to do this and network diagram. Listen, I leave that to the experts. I want to talk about day to day. I want to talk about how you can strive in this thing that we love and we call project management. So family, be out on the lookout for that book that's going to be dropping September 1st. If you're listening to this after September 1st of 2023, then the book is out. So you just need to go down into the link and pick you up 10 copies. Yeah, I said that. 10 copies. Go pick you up 10 copies. One for your cousin and them, all right, on your uncle's side. But anyway, I digress on that point as well. So family, there's a lot of great and amazing things that's coming, and that all due to you. I appreciate the support. Today, just to show you how much I appreciate you, I think I put out 7 to 8 little small YouTube shorts for you, because today is content filled heavy. I should have started tomorrow. I may even drop another 7 or 8 on top of my day-to-day of the video. So again, family, check us out. Boom. Oh, wait, I got something else. Hold on. And my favorite artist, one of the greatest to do it of all time, the great I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. But basically, this says my music will live on forever. So I hope my videos live on forever. I hope I have an impact, not an impact that sounds greedy or an impact that sounds degenerate, but an impact that moves you to want to take the PMP, an impact that moves you to want to take the CAP in, the impact that makes you say, I'm tired of being sick and tired of this position I am. I know there's something out there better for me, and I'm willing to bet on myself. And if that's you, family, this career of project management is definitely for you. Now, with all that fun and exciting things, I hope that I didn't lose everybody by now, but if I did, hey, my real ones are still here. So let's get into today's episode. Today's episode is entitled, Is Project Management a Dying Profession? Again, is project management a dying profession? Let me say this, family. The truth behind the perceived fate of project management as we examine it, it's not dying, or is it? Let's get into my 7 points. If you're new here, I have a 7-point framework. After that 7-point framework, I promise you, unless I have a bonus underneath, that's the only way I'll go long. But otherwise, I give you 7 and we out because I want to make sure these are bite-sized type nuggets that you can, rewind it back and say, okay, what was point number 2 again? So let's go, let's work. Point number 1, resilience in a changing world. Mm, mm, mm. Listen, family, I wish I could tell you something. I said tell you, but I wish I could tell you something that wasn't coming. I wish I could just rub my crystal ball and say, hey, this is what's about to happen. But let me just be honest with you, family. Despite the technology advancements as well as the industry shifts, project management, for some odd reason, has a remarkable way of showing resilience and adapting to new challenges and opportunities. So the resilience in project management, how it continuously to adapt. And that's what I love. I mean, when project management seen that agile, there are a lot of project managers are leveraging the framework of Scrum or the framework of of a Kanban board or a Kanban. Um, they caught on. They created a curriculum. There's an agile book that you have to learn, and when you take the PMP or the CAPM, you have to know parts of agile. So again, I should say the agile framework, whether it's extreme programming to the most popular, which is Scrum, it's one of those things that PMI.org, or I should say the Project Management Institute, picked up on, and I appreciate them moving forward with that. Point number 2, demand for skilled professionals. Let me say that again. Demand for skilled. You see how I move about skilled. I had to do that. I had to make it sound just really dramatic. But seriously though, family, a demand for skilled professionals. What does that mean? Organizations are continuously looking for project managers that can lead. I said lead. I didn't say manage, did I? Okay, I just want to make sure. Sometimes I get to talking so fast that no, I'm just playing. But seriously, organizations are looking for project managers who can lead projects to success and deliver value to stakeholders. So there's a huge demand for this skilled profession. Sometimes I actually talk about this in the book. There's a story that I told in a book about how I was leading a project and the managers, we had a one-on-one, and they came to me and said, hey, she was like, hey, they really enjoy what you're doing. You are going above and beyond. However, they feel that they want to see if they can do this on their own. Well, you're going to have to check out the book to find out the rest of that story. Again, the Magnetic Project Manager book. Anyway, the demand for skilled professionals, as you continue to build on your skills, this is going to really help you along the way. Point number 3, evolving methodologies. Listen, I should say methodologies and framework. When I first was really getting into project management, probably about 10, 15 years ago, it was all waterfall. Like it was waterfall, 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 waterfall. So it's just been so amazing to see all of these different methodologies and frameworks. So I'll give you a couple. So like agile, lean, a hybrid approach. A hybrid approach mostly is like leveraging some of the framework of agile, or the most popular one, which is Scrum, and leveraging the methodology of of a I said of a method, leveraging a methodology of the waterfall. So that's like a hybrid approach where you're taking a methodology and a framework and combining them together. Here's even a better example to really to lay this. So I've leveraged the methodology of a waterfall, and then I leveraged the Scrum framework. For instance, I took a piece of meeting daily to check in to see for about 10 minutes or less to say, hey, where are you at? Do you need help? What do we need to do next? That's not Scrum. Scrum is more of what did you work on? And, what are you working on today? Type. So you can remix it, but I won't drain that anymore. Let's move on to point number 4. Project management in disruptive industries. Listen, as we continue to navigate more to and I shouldn't even say as we, I mean, it seems like we're already there, more in a global structure, more in a digital age, it's going to be important. No. It's going to be imperative that project managers get into those areas. One of them is AI. I'll be talking about that a little bit later on. But one of the things is being able to leverage the digital transformation that is actually happening. There are more things going digital, and as someone that loves and appreciates this thing called project management, project management plays a pivotal role in navigating these disruptive industries, because I don't care where you go as a project manager, removing the technical aspect, but just the framework of project management. You should be able to plug and play in any industry if we're looking at just the basics from a triple constraint, which is the schedule, the cost, as well as the scope, and of course your quality. Let's move on to point number 5. Cross industry applicability. What does that mean? Well, again, going back from point number 4, where really as a project manager, you have the opportunity to just play in so many different industries. From, like, I've been in healthcare, I've been in finance, I've been in IT, I've been in what else? I haven't done anything healthcare. I've done a little bit around. I think finance. Yeah, I said finance. So really, some of these sectors are like, again, I'll give you some of them: technology, healthcare, finance, construction, like all of these diverse industries. This is one of the reasons why I loved project management so much, because you have the opportunity to fit into all these different industries. Let's move on to point number 6, the one I've been holding and saving. So if you didn't stay to this part, you're gonna miss this. I'll be honest with you, family. AI and automation. Automation has always been there. What do you mean, ED? Have you ever been typing something on your phone and it suggests the next couple words? And you're like, oh, well, yeah, that's what I was going to say anyway. Well, that's AI, that's automation. So, family, we have to be, as people that implore, or I should say, embrace this thing called project management, and we have to also embrace the AI piece. Matter of fact, again, my mentor, friend, and coach, Phil, he has a AI course on Udemy at a very reasonable price to allow you to see how this will be applicable to your project management. I've actually seen how you could actually create a schedule leveraging AI. Now, the challenge there is because of company policies and procedures. Maybe some organizations won't allow that, but the organizations that do, it's a huge advantage, because you're going to get to market faster. And anything that, I don't know anything that beats speed except speed, I guess. Anyway, I digress. So anyway, you want to make sure that you understand this as far as the AI and automation. So family, if you haven't embraced AI and automation, it's already happening to you. If you don't embrace it, I'm going to tell you, you will get left behind. Point number 7. And my final point: shaping the future of work. Listen, as organizations continue to shift to more of a project-based structure, project management is going to be the central shaping of that future work, because it's going to ensure that projects have a more of a successful outcome. I love it when organizations go to more of a project-based work, because what do we know of a project? Project is temporary. What do we know about a project is unique. So for those who love challenges and solving problems and really getting, as we say in that project management world, getting their hands dirty, this is definitely going to be for you. So, family, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I went longer than I normally do, but I did it for a reason. This is episode 100. Come and get you some, because this is where it's at. Welcome back to us, family, and I love and I appreciate you guys taking the time out to rock with me today, to watch this video, to appreciate what I do day in and day out. 5 days a week, I give you content, family. And I'm so glad and so appreciative, and I have so much gratitude. So thank you. Till next time.